Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1965 Ford Mustang factory A-Code GT car. Great car, guys. I bought this car locally. Matter of fact, I bought this car and another car from the widow. But the people that I bought these cars from, they've owned these cars for a long time. They actually bought this car out of Santa Monica, California in 1987. This car was restored in the 80s, and you won't believe that as we walk around this car. Very well maintained, just a gorgeous car, runs and drives excellent, good solid California body. Really just a nice car, guys. Again, factory A-Code GT. Again, car was restored, had 900 miles on it when they bought it. It now has 9,000 miles on the resto. Great car, Rangoon red. It's got the two-tone pony red and white interior in it. Factory A-Code GT car with disc brakes and air, and yes, the AC does work. The only things I've done to it, I put brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs on it, and then I put new dual exhaust. But great car, just some little smudges there in the bumper, but nice, guys. Like I say, very nice car, very well maintained. The other car I got was actually a '69 Chevelle that these folks bought from me in 2008. And it looks the same as when I bought it, or when they bought it from me. But great car, again, original California car. You guys got missing spots up there with some dust. But nice car, again, good solid body. These fastbacks are tough for us to get our hands on. Fold down rear seat. Stainless is nice. Again, paint is in excellent shape. And a buddy of mine's the one who actually got these cars for me. One of the guys that works for him, there's a little stone or a little chip that's been touched up. One of the guys that works for him is actually who's maintained these cars for the lady, and husband passed away I think just a few years ago. But he's actually maintained. Matter of fact, he just said he just charged the air for her last year. Air does work. It blows cold. You can see it's got the GT rear valence. Like I said, there's a few little things you can nitpick, but very nice. Again, I just put the new rubber on it, brand new all the way around it. It's got the Cragar S wheels. Yeah, it's a little stone pick there. Does have the front disc brakes. Pretty car. Factory 289 4-barrel car. That's your A-Code. Factory intake, factory exhaust manifolds. Look like they've upgraded the ignition. Factory air, does work, blows cold. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Does have the C4 automatic trans. Really good running and driving car. Hits the road nice. Like I said, we've actually cruised it a little bit because I've had to take it down and get the tires put on it. I had to do exhaust put on it. Pretty car. Glass is nice. pick that A-pillar chrome a little, but pretty doggone nice. Little wear on the door handles. Now, the original door tag is gone. I have ordered a new one from Marty. Marty Works, if anybody's familiar with them. Remote driver's mirror. Now this car has, again, it came from California. This car's got a certified replacement tag on it with the original VIN number. So this isn't an assigned VIN, it's the original VIN number, just California, because of the original door tag being gone, recertified the VIN number. You can see the wood steering wheel, bucket seats, console. It's got the pony interior, the two-tone pony interior. Again, fold down rear seat. $91.50. That is the miles on that car since it's been restored. Wood grain dash. Factory AM, or not factory, aftermarket AM FM radio. The original owner's manuals are in the glove box there. Again, the air does work. New dual exhaust, factory rear end. Clean car. It's got the jack. This has been pretty much left alone in here. I know it's got a new fuel tank. Again, solid. That's probably the original paint in there, matter of fact. Nice car, guys. Nice and clean underneath. There's also a little handwritten letter when these guys bought the car that they got with it. It's just kind of cool. Just tells, you know, when the people restored it, they kind of wrote a letter that went with the car when they bought it. Let's see, it's a good car. Dash is in good shape. Gauges are nice and clean. That steering wheel's really nice. It's got an aftermarket temp gauge underneath. Console's in good shape. Fire it up, Jordy. Yeah, it's just a little wear in your door handle there. Car just runs and drives excellent. Kick your air on. Then air works, blows cold. Said it was serviced last year or a year ago. Fuel gauge works, oil pressure works, amp gauge works. Must be running out the temp down there. Radio works, blower motor works. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Well, that's a pretty car. Lots of traffic.